G'day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. I'm not sure if I said that correctly. I'm a bit tired. Today we are looking at a new pickled steel knife. It's a remet design and we are having a braai. Follow along if you want to. Okay, I am back at home. It is Sunday, a bit before 12. Okay, my wife has to go and get us hamburger patties because, yeah, we don't have, and they want hamburgers. I was at they called it a bosberaad. What's that, a retreat in English? I don't know. Well, anyway, so we were strategizing Friday from 4 in the afternoon until 10 o'clock at night, and then Saturday from 8 in the morning until 10:30 in the evening, and this morning from 8 o'clock until 10:15, and then I just couldn't take it anymore and I started crying and ran out of the room and came back home. Okay, anyway, so let's look at the knife. So why do we have these things here? Because it's October. We are on our way to Halloween. This stuff is great. My kids love it. We have little cola candies, little caramel candies. We have little ghosts, eyeballs, whatever things. And then, and spiders. And then at the top we have a pumpkin and a Jolly Roger or a skull and crossbones. And then when you take them off, you can use them for little stamps. Ooh, that's delicious. Okay, so they will be my little mascots for Halloween. Anyway, this pickled steel knife. Inside, it was in there, we get our microfiber cloth, we get an extra pocket clip, and we get a little tool. Do we get screws? Yes, we also get extra hardware. If you hear noises, please excuse that. I have a tortoise in here with me. Okay, let me just move that guy away. Okay, he's still in here. I can't find him. This is what this looks like. This is the pickled steel. I think they called it a frauki. It's something like a frog or froggy. Okay, but look at this. Like I said, this is a remet design. So it's not a pickled steel design, but they do have the license to sell it under the pickled steel brand here in South Africa. And this is a great, great little knife. Okay. Beautiful green micarta. And I've been carrying this thing for 2 weeks, I think. Awesome, fits in your pocket like a champion. Wonderful G10 around the pivot, although it is micarta. And then a D2 blade. And in my hand, it flicks like a dream. Okay, let's just see. Can you do it with your... Yes, you can also open it with your thumb. No problem. Okay, so very nice. Look at that blade shape. That is super cool. Very nice and thin, slicey. Well, it's not super thin behind the edge, but very nice and slicey. And then we have this big finger choil over here, which doubles as a fantastic sharpening choil. Okay, there we see the Pickled Steel logo. Does it say anything there? Most likely the name, if you can see that. And D2. Okay, so there's the name also, but it will be in the description for those of us who are not wearing specs right now. Excuse me. And we have a little bit of jumping over there. And it works if you touch it. If you miss it, it grabs there at the bottom of your thumb. Okay, so that's nice. 3-finger grip on this knife. But if you use the choil, you can move up and get pretty much your whole hand on there. And it's a nice big finger choil. Okay. So, I really like this knife. Nice detent. Nice detent. Getting over the detent's quite easy. And even for that small little blade, you can shake it shut. Yeah, very cool. Okay, so, the Pickled Steel Frauki. The reason I like carrying this in my pocket, it's not very heavy. And it works nicely. Let's just do some specs on this guy. It is a fat little thing, so when it's in your hand, it feels like you have something in your hand. Okay, blade length 6.5 centimeters, overall about 15.5 centimeters. In inches, blade length 2.5 inches and overall pretty much 6 on the nose. Then if we want to see how thick this thing is, I'll have to find my calipers. Okay, stock on this guy. 3 mil, so that's a pretty good size. And then, let's see, I haven't showed you weights on things in a very long time because I always struggle to find all my stuff. Okay, there we go. My awesome scales. Can you see what that thing is saying? Maybe, maybe not. This thing is in grams, 89 grams. And then how do I change it? What am I doing there? I don't know what that is. What's that? Grams. Ounces, 3.13 ounces. So it is not... Sorry, this tortoise is fighting me as I'm sitting here. So it's not a very lightweight knife, but it's definitely a nice knife and it feels fantastic. This reminds me of those, but it's the Rev, whatever. The ones that know will know. Giant mouse. It reminds me of a giant mouse or something like that. But like I said, Remet design, but whoever at Remet designed this thing did a great job. And Pickled Steel, thank you very much for bringing this stuff to us. I'm going to go braai now.
You see, we cannot be undermined.
Day 2.
We have only seen this budget when we came in. But in terms of
Okay, last day. Okay, and I'm back at home and I'm standing in front of a fire pit and something needs to be braaied. Okay, some beautiful pieces of mupani packed by my little champion over here, and now he's gonna light the thing. Okay, it was a bit too quick, that one. Oh, muddy.
Into self.
Come.
At the touch hom dan het dit.
Okay. Okay, and our fire is lit. So now we're waiting for coals. I think we're doing hamburgers. Okay, our fire is roaring. Nice. Okay, I put an old Weber grill on here with 2 bricks to support it. Now once this thing has been cleaned a bit by the fire, I will brush it with my wire brush. And then we are making patties. Okay, so we are making 8 free-range burgers, thick, and these are the delicious Woolworths ones. Succulent beef patties, lightly seasoned with extra flavor. Look at the cow where it came from. Or bull, rather. Let's not be like that. Free-range. No something antibiotics and no growth stimulants. Which is a shame. It could have been twice as big. Okay, and of course we're opening it with my little Pickled Steel Frog, or Froggy. Okay, no mess, no fuss, let's braai. Okay, and these delicious things are on the fire. You can hear the doves in the background, listen. And all the birds, everybody's happy I'm back home. Okay, I'll bring you back when I've turned them a few times. Okay, first turn. On this horrible little fire system. Looking delicious. Okay, I'm done. I'm not gonna show you what a burger looks like. You know that, cheese, lettuce, blah blah blah. Okay, all of you, stay safe, happy, have a good one. Tomorrow apparently there's gonna be a super cool unboxing. Goodbye. Oh wait, I'm back. Special announcement. The stuff we do, Freya, the knife, the Freya without the flipper, or the Remet, I think it was a peacock, but the one without the flipper in red in D2, you can now buy on Pickled Steel site for less than 500 Rand. Please go and check that out. Also, some of the custom knives, the Warhog, the Rhino, and the Kapelevaro, you can get for less than 1,000 Rand. So please go check that out. Goodbye.